Okay, now all the Bybit drama is over, and here is something, a very, very important point that you should take into account. I will make this video very short because in a few minutes the market in the United States, not in the United States, but the pre-market is opening in Asia. They are starting to trade American assets, and normally this is the moment when Bitcoin goes up. So stay tuned. It's a very short video. I just want to talk about one thing that maybe nobody's really aware of. You know that the hackers, they basically stole, they say it like this, I don't know, put me a comment here please. Ethereum was $1.5 billion. And many people thought, oh, I have to sell my Ethereum, they will dump Ethereum. But they cannot dump Ethereum, because how would they do this? If they change it in a decentralized exchange to Tether, for example, Tether will block it. Tether can block it because it's only a smart contract on any blockchain, you know? So SachBTC, he also find out that they even launched a meme coin. So this is so crazy. It's getting every day better and better. Okay, so now think about it. Bybit have to buy this Ethereum back because they have to give it back to the clients. So what could they do? They have to buy it. So basically, it's like somebody purchased $1.4 billion in Ethereum, pumped the price, and he will not sell it. Because now this Ethereum, they are basically blocked. They are like staked, let's say it like this. They cannot be moved, they cannot be sold, they cannot go to the market and dump the price. And Bybit have to purchase this Ethereum because they have to give it back to the clients. So this is really amazing. And also, I saw something in Twitter, and this is true. Imagine if a bank was hacked from 1.4 billion. You know what happened then? Then they would close the bank for months. There would be paperwork and people and the clients, oh, please, we stop all withdrawals. Oh, no, wait. And you would wait years for your money, years. And what's happened to Bybit? 24 hours and everything is done. So I'm very thankful to Ben. He solved this. He was an amazing leadership. He's an amazing leader. Bybit is, for me, still the best exchange in the world. Even if this would happen to Coinbase, to Binance, I'm not sure if they would react that fast and keep going as nothing happened, you know. So for me, 100% Bybit, best exchange. So remember, they have to buy now in the next days 1.4 billion in Ethereum, and this is something that can really change everything for Ethereum. So maybe it's a good moment to go long on Ethereum, buy Ethereum, open a long position with a very low leverage. Remember, you can get a $30,000, $50 bonus in Bybit. Bybit, very strong exchange. I mean, now everybody knows. So here in the link, here you have in the description and in the pinned comment, you have the link. Take advantage of it. It's up to $30,000, $50 in deposit. Imagine now, open a long position with this money. Would be amazing, right? And it's a bonus. It's not your money. If you lose it, who cares? Okay, that's all for today. Please leave me a comment. What do you think about the hack? What do you think about all this crypto market right now? Will we go up? Will we go down? I would like to know the sentiment in the market, and also, from the people that are watching my videos. Take very much care of your crypto. You can see now that nobody can be safe. Even Bybit, the biggest, safest exchange, was hacked. So take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.